She checked in, but never checked out. Los Angeles, 2013. A 21-year-old student, Elisa Lam, arrives at the infamous Cecil Hotel, a place haunted by madness, death, and stories that never die. Then she disappears. The last footage shows her inside an elevator. She presses every button, steps in and out, hides in the corner, talks to someone who isn't there. Moments later, she's gone. Police search every hallway, every room, every inch of the hotel. Nothing. No scream, no trace, just silence and a mystery growing darker by the hour. Days later, guests start to complain. The water tastes strange. The pressure is low. Maintenance climbs to the roof, opens a rusted metal tank, and finds her floating in the same water guests had been drinking. No one knows how she got there. No alarms, no footprints,